Hi, I'm Alex, and in this video I'm going to highlight the 7 best credit cards for restaurants so you don't have to carry hundreds of dollars in cash, and then break them down by the features they offer so that you can make an informed decision. If you are new to this channel, you'll find answers about credit cards, saving money, growing your income, investing and saving for retirement. So without further ado, let's get started. There can never be enough rewards for those of us who enjoy dining out at restaurants, regardless of whether we consume 3-course meals or grab takeout at the end of the day. Here is a list of the top rewards credit cards for restaurant-related purchases in 2021, broken out by the feature that best defines them. Number 1. The Platinum Card from American Express. American Express Platinum Card features many luxury benefits that are widely known. There is a $695 annual fee on this card, but it is absolutely packed with statement credits and perks that outweigh it in value. The offer includes up to $200 in Uber Cash per year, $15 per month plus an extra $20 in December, which can be used for trips or Uber Eats deliveries. The card's introductory offer, however, is perhaps the most impressive restaurant-related feature. You'll get 10 points per dollar spent at eligible restaurants worldwide for your first 6 months of card membership, with a maximum of $25,000 in restaurant and small businesses. The welcome bonus is 100,000 points after you spend $6,000 on purchases on your new card in your first 6 months. You could earn 10 points at eligible restaurants worldwide, and when you shop small in the US, on up to $25,000 combined purchases during your first 6 months of card memberships. 5 points on up to $500,000 spent on directly booked airfare and flights and prepaid hotels booked through American Express Travel per calendar year. 2 points on prepaid car rentals through American Express Travel, and 1 point on all other purchases. Number 2. Chase Freedom Unlimited. Now, Chase Freedom Unlimited gives you the opportunity to earn rewards on food delivery related purchases with a great cashback credit card. With the card, you'll earn 3% back on takeout and eligible delivery services each year, and there is no annual fee. Now, if card members activate their DashPass subscription before December 31st, 2021, they will also receive a free 3 months DashPass subscription that includes unlimited deliveries for the price of one delivery. With 1.5% cashback on all other purchases, Freedom Unlimited may be your best choice if you are looking for a card that can earn you rewards on non-category purchases as well. The welcome bonus is $200 cash bonus when you spend $500 on your card within 3 months of account opening. The rewards are 5% cashback on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 5% back on Lyft rides through March 2022, 3% back on dining including takeout and eligible delivery services, 3% back on drugstore purchases, and 1.5% back on all non-category purchases. Number 3. US Bank Cash Plus Visa Signature Card. There is something for everyone who loves fast food. Now, by choosing fast food as a category on your Bank Cash Plus Visa Signature Card, you can earn 5% cash back on up to $2,000 in combined purchases each quarter, then 1%. Moreover, you won't have to sacrifice rewards when eating at other restaurants, because the card also lets you select restaurants as a category to earn unlimited 2% cashback. You can earn a $200 bonus on eligible net purchases up to $500 made during the first 90 days of owning this card. A large portion of the rewards can be redeemed as a statement credit, a US bank account deposit, or cash redemption. You can also open a checking or savings account at the bank. The rewards include 5% cashback on purchases in 2 categories, up to $2,000 in combined purchases per quarter, then 1% like I mentioned before, unlimited 2% cashback at gas stations, grocery stores or restaurants, and 1% back on all other qualifying purchases. Number 4. American Express Gold Card. Now, the American Express Gold Card is one of the best credit cards for dining, especially if you don't mind paying an annual fee. You are eligible for unlimited 4 times membership reward points when dining at restaurants, and the Gold Card offers dining credits of up to $120. Now, you can receive a total of $10 in statement credits every month when you pay with your Amex Gold Card at Grubhub, Seamless, The Cheesecake, Boxed, and participating Shake Shack locations. In addition, cardholders can get up to $120 in Uber Cash up to $10 per month expiring at the end of the month that can be redeemed for rides and meals. You just need to make sure that your Amex Gold Card is linked to the Uber app to automatically receive your monthly Uber cash. Now, there is a $250 annual fee for Amex Gold, but you can get credit back of up to $240 if you use the dining and Uber cash credits in full. In addition to dining perks, the card comes with several travel benefits, including no foreign transaction fees and several insurance coverages for luggage, car rentals, and more. The welcome bonus is 60,000 membership reward points after you spend $4,000 on eligible purchases with your new card within the first 6 months. To take full advantage of the rewards, you will get 4 membership reward points at restaurants including Uber Eats purchases, 4 points at US supermarkets up to $25,000 per year in purchases, then 1 point, and 3 points on flights booked directly with airlines or via amextravel.com. Number 5. Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. It's no wonder why the Chase Sapphire Preferred is one of the most popular travel credit cards. Whether you are a first-time traveler or a seasoned pro, you will enjoy the low annual fee, the valuable rewards currency, and the flexible redemption options. In addition, it now offers even greater value to everyday consumers with its recently updated reward structure. The points earned on dining will increase to 3 on August 16, 2021. Cardholders also have access to 1 year of DashPass, DoorDash subscription service, however it must be activated by December 31st, 2021. Additionally, the card rewards online grocery purchases at the rate of 3, so you'll earn the same rate when you are cooking for yourself. Dining dollars can easily be converted into airline miles when you earn Chase Sapphire Preferred Miles. The welcome bonus is 100,000 bonus points when you spend $4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of opening an account, which is roughly $1,250 toward travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. The rewards are 5 total points on all travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3 points on dining, including eligible delivery services, takeout and dining out, 3 points on select streaming services, 3 points on online grocery purchases, excluding Target, Walmart, and wholesale clubs. At the same time, you'll earn 2 points on travel not booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Number 6. Citi Custom Cash Card. As opposed to having a fixed bonus category, the Citi Custom Cash Card gives you unique benefits. On your everyday spending, you can get 5% cash back for a maximum of $500 each billing cycle and 1% after. A wide range of categories are included, although not third-party dining services, so it's among the top contenders. Depending on your budget, it would probably be wiser to save the custom cash for other purchases. By spending more on those purchases in a month, you could earn 5% in a category like grocery stores or home improvement. In addition to this, custom cash offers a flexible option. Using your rewards card 1 month to dine out and then cooking at home, the following month still gets you rewards. The welcome bonus is 20,000 thank you points worth $200 in cash back after spending $750 on purchases in the first 3 months. The rewards include 5% cash back on up to $500 each billing cycle, then 1% on your top eligible spending category each billing cycle. Number 7. Capital One Savor Cash Rewards Credit Card. The Capital One Savor Cash Rewards has been an interesting card for quite some time, thanks to its reward structure. For an annual fee of $95, you can earn 4% cash back on dining, entertainment, and popular streaming services. Purchasing at cafes, bars, fast food chains, and more are all included in the 4% category according to Capital One's website. You get more cash back for spending more, but the requirements are also higher. You can get a first-year $300 cash bonus after spending $3,000 on purchases within your first 3 months. You can redeem your rewards for previous purchases, gift cards, travel, or hotel stays, and you won't be charged any foreign transaction fees when you travel abroad. The rewards are generous and include 4% cash back on dining and entertainment, 4% back on popular streaming services including Hulu, Disney Plus, and Netflix, 3% back at grocery stores, 1% back on all other purchases, plus 8% back on purchases from Vivid Seats through January 31st, 2023. Now, once we've reviewed the best credit cards for restaurants, how do we choose the best dining credit cards? Guys, if you're considering a restaurant credit card, you should consider whether or not you are willing to pay an annual fee. If you don't want to pay an annual fee, there are plenty of credit cards without one, but you'll typically earn more rewards and get greater benefits when an annual fee is charged. You can redeem your reward points, cashback, miles, or both depending on the card's redemption options. You should double check that a restaurant credit card rewards can be redeemed in a manner that fits your lifestyle before selecting one. Is a dining and restaurant credit card right for you? Now, card companies offer an array of redemption options, including cashback, statement credits, checks, gift cards, merchandise through online retailers, or travel. Some cards, however, offer fewer options. When shopping for a card, look for one with more flexible redemption options if you don't spend a lot on dining-related expenditures with certain merchants. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to let me know in the comments if you got any value from this video. It's 2021. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell if you aren't already, and I will see you soon.